At American Friction Welding, we're not just built to weld, we're engineered to perform. As a US-based production manufacturer, we deliver high-integrity, precision components where structural strength and repeatability are non-negotiable. We specialize in rotary friction welding, solid-state joining that produces full-surface, high-strength welds without fillers, fluxes, or fumes. Our production capacity is unmatched, and whether you need a single prototype or full production runs, we support various part diameters and standard lengths. As the largest subcontract friction welder in the US, AFW is your trusted supply chain partner, delivering turnkey solutions with complete control from start to finish, from procurement to inspection, testing, and on-time delivery. We serve Tier 1 and OEM customers in industries where performance matters most: aerospace, agriculture, defense, energy, and more. These are critical components built for critical applications. Friction welding gives our customers design freedom, stronger joints, the ability to join dissimilar materials, and faster turnaround compared to traditional forged parts. It's also a cleaner, more cost-efficient process, cutting down machining time and raw material waste while avoiding consumables, hazardous inputs, and expensive tooling. Every part we produce is backed by deep process control and rigorous quality systems. We're ISO 9001:2015 certified with full traceability and a first-pass yield philosophy. Our vertically integrated operation manages the entire life cycle, from raw material procurement through final inspection. We perform both destructive and non-destructive testing, including ultrasonic flaw detection, tensile, bend, and etch evaluations. Behind the scenes, our ERP-driven system ensures real-time process monitoring, inventory control, and supply chain precision, so your production programs stay on track and in spec. We can also provide in-house fixture and tooling design. Friction welding isn't a sideline for us, it's our foundation. Founded in 1986, AFW has remained solely focused on this process, building deep expertise and a culture of excellence. Our team of weld engineers, machinists, and quality professionals takes pride in doing things right, on time and every time, assuring the highest in craftsmanship standards. We're not a machine builder with a side shop. We're your production partner, and friction welding is not secondary to us. It is our business. Our core focus: the production of friction welded components. Strategically located in Waukesha, Wisconsin, with dedicated production cells, climate-controlled quality labs, and dock-to-dock efficiency, we're built for serious manufacturing. Our facilities offer easy central access to major logistics corridors, making high-mix, mid-volume production scalable and reliable. Our manufacturing facilities also feature state-of-the-art machine cells, unparalleled quality assurance systems, and efficient logistics and shipping lanes. At American Friction Welding, we stand for performance, precision, and partnership. Let us bring your toughest production challenges to life. We are engineered to perform, built to deliver. We are where first-class manufacturing and friction welding join together. Visit teamafw.com or contact us to start your next project today.